How to buy Brawl Pass with Apple Pay. The first thing to do is of course access your Brawl Stars application and make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. The next thing to do before you purchase or you place an order on getting a Brawl Pass, make sure that your Apple Pay has already been set up as one of your payment method from your phone. So once you made sure that you already set it up, your Apple Pay, then what you need to do from here is go to the shop, and then if you can see there are a bunch of options in here that you can purchase, maybe skins, special offers, catalogs, skins from the heroes, and so on and so forth. So for you to be able to use your Apple Pay is just go directly to Brawl Pass in here. If you tap on that, choose on the designated feature that you'd like. For example, we will be getting out the Brawl Pass Plus. Now once you tap on that, all of your payment methods will show up here. And then if you haven't set it up your Apple Pay, then just press this more right here and you'll have to fully set it up before you can make the payment. And that's it. That's how you purchase or that's how you buy Brawl Pass with Apple Pay.